Well, guys, I just got off from work. I'm going home. Please share the program as you're joining. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, I just want to come and say hello to each and every one of you, and also ask nketa of a man Chimoshi that nketa of a man Chimoshi he na gari na street we homeless man, or we yo, or we moto. Must you be parading poverty all over you? Chimoshi. Can you answer that you was crying? I've not listened to your video. I heard that you was crying, shedding tears. Ne Bobble. Well, I'm very. I mean, it's quite appalling that men like you only got mouth to offer. Like, it's quite disgusting that men like you that claim to have ongabase are just crying like babies. You're just a cry baby that want to suck his mother's breast. Oh, hey, you just ne bakwa. You want to go? No, just ne bakwa. Guys, please share the program. Click love. Yeah, na report video. In my major video in that appear about flag. Major video in that report. I have to start disputing. Ah, God. Please, Facebook, I'm celebrating birthday. I don't know why they are always on my page. Anyway, there is no cause for alarm. It's a journey of a warrior. You face a lot of challenges, you know. Udele update. Chineke. Udele, why are you disgracing us? I don't even understand why you guys want to hide on our face with shame. You're supposed to be hiding on a you know. I think I'm tired and I'm going home. You know. I think I'm never get to a program because I just want to reply that in Chimoshi. That nketa of a man. That man who know nothing to write home about. Ima ona dekwa no maki ihe na eme o. Ima na ewepu ihe amere na ega man nde when he sokoro ha ike. Ewepu this thing that just happened. Ega man enwe ihe sokoro these people ni ike. Oh, these people got to ngabasi. Oh, these people have something to offer. Thank God, though. Thank God. Yeah, man. Now let me tell you something, Chimoshi. This criminal in London. That criminal in London, Chimoshi. That nketa of a man. That ojamu ejiego of a man. That ojuku ejaba. That man in a clear dust like Udele and okay. Clear dust for years before Jipu even then a clear dust Ibeano. That ojuku ejoma. That criminal in London. That ojamu ejiego. That man never want to carry mpi. That mpile charanya banne. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. Men don't cry. Men don't come out, be blah blah. You guys have a lot of pages that are supporting you guys, but it's quite unfortunate that you guys say wing but all of you that are supporting this Itebe and Udele. So all of you put together, you guys cannot even come up to 50 million. Not today. I personally can cover out 100 million within a twinkle of an eye. So within all the pages in on this blue app, now support you. none of you will be able. How much is 60 million? How much is it? $50,000. Not even off the 50K as it is now. Now, as I'm talking to you, he said, but to see you now, you guys open GoFundMe and could not raise up to. Imagine Jawa ambassador Nankako. Imagine Jawa ambassador. Hey! Ihe me bodila muno. Ihe me bole muno. Ihe me budiala muno. So you can see have mouth too. Ochemano when a man. Ochemano when a man. Hey! No one walk out Miriam or Haka Hawo. They no get gone, they no get money, they no get capacity. Now, since we gave you guys the bare condition, because I saw that a lot of women we are busy then jubilating. Oh, Ogechi said Udele will not come out. The bare condition. Anti mama anti practical, anti boom. Because is Udele out or not? Let me tell you, Udele. Now listen, Chimo, that criminal in London, listen to me. Listen, let me tell you something, Like I said, like people, when some people do reasonable among you guys are advising you, Shiggy, you are making this case worse. When they don't listen to them all, keep accusing Ebuko B, keep accusing us. Let me tell you, there is nothing you will do. Udele nwona enwe he game. Udele adendo enwe he game. So it's better for you to continue to rant. So you should keep worsening the situation. That is the cocoa. As more you go contradict the situation, as more worse you get for Udele. If Udele nwona enwe he game, he get win it na. The same Udele GTM basara a lot of people that under Biafra. Nda babu you will hear me today. I just come to a little brain. And we it's 1 year, 2 years. Let's give you 5 years. Udele will expire like others. I'm just increasing it to 5 years, which I know that even 2 days, Udele, I can just check for you. I just want to give you a little. I know you like it. And when he show game, and when he dollar game, I wanna find a way to for ya. So whether you be here to Ebukobi, we have paid this, Ebukobi have did this, Ebukobi have did that, you are just wasting your destiny. You are wasting this same case. That criminal you learned in London. And when you don't have nothing else to offer. I thought you guys were jubilating. How many weeks now have we given you guys the bare condition? You guys were lamenting that. You guys were lamenting that we are not able to issue better do. You were busy giving these people hope. I think last week, if I'm not mistaken, that Udele will come out soon and come and speak to them. So all you guys could perform, all the acting and the movement you guys could perform. Somebody is a blood tonic. We got Udele no longer. Shoot Udele, this is what you perform because we are not coming. We can't come up with the bare condition. It's difficult. Nobody is willing, which I told you. So this is all the drama you guys. This is a cheap drama. Makachineke. Whoever visited Udele, Imana blood tonic and the brandnama. Or brandnama she get at the tire, ya water. You know? Or brand imana shop and namish. Ne shop and ewu. You know? And when the cake can I want to approve. Ya can I want to approve. You know, raw one, she up or yano. Imana why not chong can go any limits to go and look for each other. Udele on a critical condition that he can do anything. If the Guinea Shia or on August, say if we are Udele will do it. I mean, use your brain now. So all this on a cheap show. una cheap. When the lawyer called me yesterday, I said, lawyer, you know the game. Let me tell you what you guys don't understand. We have specialty, we have lawyers, I am with the doctors that can evaluate Udele and put him back where he belongs. Also, no man, also no when epilepsy job, but we don't care home. We don't care. I will play the video when I get home. I just name it a little. I'm coming for now. Udele water. Udele, let me repeat it again. As far as I say put on social media, this is my own stand. Nobody put me in record. So when you want to twat, or when you want to switch your statements, or when you want to switch because a man who can deny that they are raising money, who can deny the identity that they are raising money when I discovered that they were asking for a fund, what more can't you deny? And what more can't you twist? So and when today that is impossible. You denied your own shadow. More or less of you got to see you know bagawo agwu brishi. Brishi that looking for every means to so every story will even he get book them my spirit which I'm not denying it. You can even accuse me that Ogechi spirit is there. Now so yeah, well, what will happen? Even in my spirit of Udele, I said nobody. And when you got you, I like a nine, I got the apple shit. Even when they got Elia. Because Udele he's not a way here, Pastor. I don't know why we are wasting our strength on this nobody. Now let me repeat it again. What to me? I am not exaggerating. I did not drink. I'm a very alerted person. I'm sure no influence of anything and I make this statement. Hold me accountable for it. Don't involve Ebukobi. Don't involve it. This is my stand. And that is my wish. And that is even wishing. As far as Udele Potarana, I gave that be Ishi Ebukobi. That be Ishi Ejumaya. Where ya Uchuaja I Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Wish you the long. Hello, so let me rephrase it. Maybe you did not understand it. And I'm sue you going happen and I report to my page. Because page my wall I'm born. Facebook is now shadow banning my views, which is okay, I don't have problem. Actually, getting but years or one day can I so no need. Oga land ebo kwesịrị land no wahala ana meji Facebook abeg when him ji Ogechi is made Ogechi Chineke goziela mu God dey bless children before this year God goziela mu you know be I know they make mouth to say how they talk I will make destiny child maybe meet in the minutes if that's catapult my destiny me wanna go see by next year unu para the laga won go na boy na blue app. You want to go? Alon, be home here, be amuno no ye be aka onu shin. Alright. Zero. Regade ateze na boya. If I dey jiko ge na boya. Oya, otilo. Zero muno na be he ka onu nde kwasho ka onu nde we ho common otu n'ime o na enwe ka amu ya ruru 60 million. Onu him manu ga biarama. Look at how he bereka and we okay enough. I can cover 100 million at a start without even shaking. Look at one. Shiboge any dream something 100 million or we save unto or we save unto Bukobi or we save unto sugar or we save unto Gobin or we save Odoguna Male or we save Ichimborga. Why not? Or we save unto Alisa. Oh, I want to listen with a problem. Oh, okay, you cover that in the twinkle of an eye in a second. Oh, no, I'm not now. With no shaking, look at him. I'm then the look at no. Look at it. No. This one, no. This one, no. Case a bono. I should have on a bay. Now on this criminal of a dog of a man. Ghana got in a book when they go put the property. What put the man who name man? You don't know what to do. Are you guys not ashamed of yourself? That come on, mere moto man. If I can't provide it, mere moto, I'm not about $170,000. Mere ya instantly. If I don't have anything, bank will give it to me. So what are you guys talking about? Like this about counting. Look at the doings. Men he begin na the video yesterday. You know, can run. Hey, God when oh, God when oh. But I should catch a figure about when I blew up. Get when na bunu kuno de. I show you here call you the watch him chibi. Look at this nketa of a man na when you did na watch declare criminal in London na watch me. You know my wura hon pick and when me when I do a moto. And when me when I no roll because all roommates can be. And when more like this man, you say I am man enough. Make a drive. You be one keke for where? Only no London for years. You got go to school na so you bo. And oh you boy who aparekoro. They cannot provide. They were prego fund to me. They were none kora me prego for me raise almost $60,000. In on a social media, every time you can't open raise. Nani in that is dress so far 700,000. God. Oh no. Who are your friends of associates? Who are your friends? Who do you associate with? Can they under a chat card the woman that cannot give you a contract of common 10 billion? That cannot even say here we to the Ishi. Oh please anything. Who are your friends? Look at the video turnout. Choose your friends. He choose Umar meeting. I heard you go near. Who are the people that will stand for you? Who are your associates? And if we are the Ogechi or don't talk. Choose your friends. Don't let your friends choose you. Choose them. Pick them. Few of them. Make your circle small but important people that matters in times of difficulty. So how many property to protect you in the times of in critical time. Choose who made a chat card. Okay, man, give away. Okay, give away. Okay, the chat card. None of them can come for you. Come through for you. None. None. See them. Yeah, better. I get you. I get you. The animal Juno. Where that people get you the bell war. This your nuisance nonsense man. Anna Udele. Eh? It should all the judge that gave the back condition. Look at it, but then when him the judge is in back condition, it should all one. One person pass a power, person pass a person. And I judge you don't get look at you. When the waiting no pass you. On your shin I put this nketa of a man. This criminal in London. Listen, come here. We are waiting for that your lawsuit to go sue us. I need that. God. And my potara come I'm going home. I needed something to keep myself busy because there's a lot of traffic, you see. There's a lot of traffic everywhere. So I needed something to keep me busy before I get home, you know. I don't want to feel drowsy. Because all 16 campiana, you can see. You know, so I needed something to keep me busy. So I'm coming. I am coming. What I go? Let me repeat what I stated before. Maybe you did not get it right. How much are you gonna buy me? Ego lereng diamond how many crats mbunaka. Ego lekiji I want to question you. So anything I do, I stand on it to finish it. It can't buy. I won't want this bloggers go Facebook. I always tell you that. I can't be them. Because that is not the main purpose of the blue app. You want to go? You I'm Chorega, I can make my mind the business and keep quiet to create my content. They avoid many things. I just say, do my thing. But that is not the purpose. Nemo. A woman a woman many of these bloggers choka go hage in a blue app. No. Here na chowe go healthcare no buda. Oh we go healthcare we go yeah. And they every month like this. You want to him not to go healthcare, go nursing home, my own nursing home, my own group home, my own health for him not. Very soon God gave us room here. So away home na pata here. And when na she Facebook could get him and PP. Baba. Yeah, in our plan our children future, honey. And you need just to use social media to pass the message. So your vision and my vision is not the same. You want to go? Mayor in this country. I mayor of the Chicago. This is the kind of money we are looking for. And corruption that Facebook or not to give monetization. One nega that is not the same reasoning and the same capacity. You want to go? Ego health care, ego bunyekia, emonte nuokia. Gamashe nuola ego. Awu rubbish shawunu de susu here. And one more time, my mission is just to use this blue app to pass my message. That's it. You want to go? So get ready very soon. When you get to forget, I'm applying. Man, I won't company. I'm applying. Nature maybe win and also on my company. So I just tell you. So I'm not saying that I'm in the same category in any way. So my purpose of having a blue app is message to pass and spread my message about healthcare. Sorry, about Inyende Madaka. So Kimana that Monagano the same category So don't follow me to post what I post on my blue app and when I'm different reasoning than you are. Now let me reverse where I'm coming from. Okay, they are aware. You want to go? Now listen and listen very attentively. Let me repeat my words again. In case I get your twisty, I got my then you play my voice. So that twist, yeah, make it make sense. You want to go? Make it make sense. So okay, now I know what I'm saying. Now listen. Let me repeat it again. As far as Udele, put her on this blue app, she ebuko biana machoga belego so give if to akweme you. As far as ukuruya, if you talk, I will repeat those videos. So yaruma in a kundebere buya. You na add them na me talk am. My wish on moto am na born on I my wish is Udele to kweme. Atrom ke liye ya. Come no na line celebrate ya. Give 1 million that day Udele. That is my wish to Udele. Achorom kudela kwe machorom kashitan let opana on about drigodire ya she na live ya she na long so ya putan so he cannot okay kusume again ya nana ya mpuru obi ya landan tokpa. You don't understand. That is my wish. How else do you want me to comfort? As far as all should go be that Ishi may go be that Ishi as far as those who want such the same wish can wish Gaya. You don't understand. I said they are planning Ogechi vow. No, Ogechi, this is this is what she wants. So that criminal man in on London. London Bridge every day gonna cross here. Listen, let me maybe what I'm saying. Replay this video, replay it, recirculate it. So can it make sense? Can you happy? Ebukobi is not responding to you. Ako does not respond to you. So you want to respond? Abagina muna giga we bushi. Muna giga we bushi. You feel me? So in a puya that play my voice so people gonna know ya. So when you want to twist the oka, get boya to Ishi ya ma ya to. Na mwa Ogechi Okeke. Ashi live by the sword. Now sword. Only sword. If you live by a sword, you will die by the sword. You kweme by the sword. You live by poison. You kweme by the poison. Udele, Udele wish you them to kind of wish. I want to back. Udele wish millions of people on. I wish you at the same thing. Why are you crying? I've never seen a man that pour this kind of tears more than you. All I see are men in Ngaba. So when guys, please click love and like and down on my page 24/7. Oh, I'm gonna show naturally shot to the down. Oh, no, try shot every time on my page. The other video, the other video I made the other day, if I did not appeal it, Facebook brought it back. Page him carrying another strike. You guys are the one that's striking me 24/7. I want to try to image him on. Una ne ben actually image you on. You want to go? So all this drama, ono gaga were blood tonic in super try hotel any me kitchen waterproof or were obranama. Imo obranama no down the she shune with 3 hours. She up or ya kuwera no kata it see we will test it. We have doctors, we have medical personnel everywhere. We are highly connected. We are highly sophisticated. Maybe connection is not the right word. We are highly sophisticated. Get aware. So any part we are ready for it. Even if it happens to be true, because of which I know that it's not true. I get gene and a treat in the ngahia. Haga no gidana chain. Haga no gidana here until the treat chan. So on system it will never work. After all, Nnamdi Kanu have pleaded that the health here is the Traditionen. Udele potashi, if they ever give Nnamdi Kanu bell, make it peme. Are you daring to witness it? I don't know why. It's what they are using to pay you back the same coin, and you're here crying. Even your own coin is even lenient because any gunu bell. Nnamdi Kanu bell. You come up with the bell. They did not release him. Your own did not come up with the bell, and you are still lamenting and crying like a baby. Go and complete your bell condition. Complete your bell condition and stop lamenting like a child, like a cry baby. You cry too much and I hate it. Be a man. Man up. Do things you're supposed to do and stop. He has come up with the bell condition over and over again. But Nigerians say no. But your own ain't going to bell. You guys say we are not even able to come up with the money, the cash. I never see this guy cry man. No. They don't men challenge him. Imagine the irony of life. These people don't know the people way past them. Come on, meet up with the back on now. The last weekend that I will come out because where are those writing last weekend? Imana make screenshot to chat comment to Mako Geruota. I'm posing Oga. Where are you there? As this your hair look like you. Of course. Am I angry? It looks like me. I'm Pussy again. I'm gonna show you the Unegi. Does he have I wouldn't go chama? Look like me now. What is the problem? Are we wouldn't go chama kolaba? Why are you worried about it? It looks like me. That's my hair. I'm proud to wear it. Natural woman can come up with that. I don't need to look for makeup before I come out. No. No. It looks like me, 100%. Love it. We continue to wear it until Mbedim shouldn't change here. Because this is his favorite color. Yeah, we Ishi. So I don't know why you want to say it looks like me, like a again. Now listen, Udele, my wish. We go di kweme there. Achom shiki noron ga hu kweme. Chineke me kwebere obana ye baga wure eziokwu. Bia this 2023 Udele, my wish. We go di kweme there. Achom shiki noron ga hu kweme. Chineke me kwebere obana ye baga wure eziokwu. Bia this 2023 Udele, my wish. We go di kweme there. Achom shiki noron ga hu kweme. Chineke me kwebere obana ye baga wure eziokwu. Bia this this criminal Chimezie Chimoshi. Which federal government connection he has? Ashim Giheneme, Ashiheneme, Breeze name and not local. One now who do the out today, you know. Are you not happy? What happened, man? I'm just you know. All these people are Mariano. I can't and I'm gonna go the way to ya. That I could do more. I say, I'm gonna wait again. I'm gonna wait. I thought who wait to get as a man. Down and I'm gonna wait to ya. But how many pounds? Or how many kilo? On the federal convention. I let me call. I remember Okurora case. Indeed, you know what turn down support Yabragana and Kia. Hey, Udele. Back. Udele say, let me call the EFCC. Let me call no. Even the one high rank EFCC man, man. Even the man now told the one himself. On a one, you know, but you go. Very cool, intelligent, high rank, you know, be talker. Also get your tram. I told Maka Nigeria, I get position again. I understand. Fine guy, going highly connected. Only two America can meet. You want to go here with people, you connect it. Nah, eh? Then they man, man. Yeah, this man, they move now. They move your rubbish car. Move Sunday man who want to wait the regi. No, you don't know check out one again. Come and get out. No, you go to the one again. You can't drive, you park your car somewhere. And I call it. But I'm going to passions. I won't do two dinner. Eh? Get when you look palapalozre, Paramokromo Chano Shinamuzo. Moteru $10,000. He's a toothless bulldog. Oh, you can not ban again down. Camera weight, huh? You know they are weighting that the weightless. They are weightless. So my wish today, I wanted to strength. I want 6 days straight up, 16. Or 3 easy. You know? So make I go rest. Even if I want to night today. So I'm coming back to work night today. I'm going to travel. So I can night shift. So guys, listen. See, you know that Obranama. That Obranama won the arena Nigeria get tired, got na blood tonic ya ha some place. Or woo zolo bita saying the gang ya do menege shigi ame obana. I we don't care. You don't care. Ihima wo age legi. That one who butchagi na bell one no ego can no another one ya ji attribute egi. Let me go back. I want to get the ticket for free. Nigeria want that immunity, that resources. Area man, and not put an ego. If there is no money to treat you, now this is let me tell you. Let me repeat it again. Area man, even doctor ni regale ga kwanyo ugo. Oh, kwa kando to give mata she nwuzo she jeli berendo. Enwe kuze she jeli berendo. Give fake sickness ele chaga collect ego ejiri legi. Akwa ka ide awe. Osola ge mo odudo, osola ge odudo doroge dopa ge ime okun we don ka basa hanyi. You know so okay ide awe. Here Ishi. You know, so a corporate coach. Okay, and the coach. You know happy the misinformed. Go no happy because some of you guys are the left and right. Only channel ogi fake ejima who I am quick no ejima who and I no. If you are sick, you pay. If you are not, if you fake it, you still pay. So no both ways. Ege with terrible condition, or you stay there till next month 15th. Bege bido. Ebegi be. Why you claim no AI? No AI producing a video. I don't have expertise. I check. If it's not AI, you face the consequences.
Agramunu Nanda Donya Choritiwa from Cotonou to Guinea, Zambia, from Zambia, 1 day Otilo. Otilo. I perform all manner of Nayang one and a billion. You not go walk. We will continue to wish you happy birthday. We will continue to wish you we will continue to wish you happy birthday. We continue, me personally, we continue to wish you so the same come. I heard that that's your criminal friend. Chimeoshi. One billion China one there, but I want to wish you. He's saying, Ogechi, I've been saying it practically. Ogechi said it from the depth of my heart. I wish you moved along. Oh, you did not remember? I'm gonna wish others. I will replay those. Come remind the again. So maybe we checking apple to apple. They have been saying it. I heard it. They said it. They have been saying it. Okay, she meant it. They came out. Mosquito. What are you saying? So you have forgotten everything you get out the lamba with the lapotaga join here. Manashario came ile chanya banea. Where la home to share this criminal of England. Actually, Epatana. Oboda Ishi the corner Tanamba. Ishi wa keyboard. Tanamba Abrogonu Bubugi. Emu Zoala Nake. Every time Gagana Galan on the street, me onye lufru bad loco, me onye lufru destiny kia on the streets. Every day Garigacha. Moto anya hogi, urumi ibi, anya hogi, every day on the street is Susware. Ya wouldn't dish up, I wouldn't dish up. Igbo man. Una Ashma apere, Odi apere na gupan, apere na gando at the wound, megano prami wound. Ebukobi, every you can call Ebukobi for all we care. Now me go they stay here, they give it to. Now I'm gonna get an award. You wanna get an award who can walk in and one you pay. One day, etaraji kubo na kamo. Get Udele. You know? I'm going to make sure. Ne bari akwa ko ma ko wele unu chena because I make am 100 days fasting aga ba abu unu woto anna ga ma gba yi unu aga after all ndi Israel lugidoro ogo ndi Israel lugidoro ogo ti kingdom kan na lu ogo na Chineke kan emere ha favor e nwere ga lu ogo na Bible onye kwara geta ti lu ogo wu me fight just cause. Fight a just cause, and you'll be victorious. You'll be victorious. I'm fighting a just cause.
Caution, speed bump.
I'm fighting a just cause. None of you can use that to stop me. I'm going to try to shut them up. Mention in them every 100 days fast. You're mad. Go and read your Bible from Genesis to Revelation. Baminga Moses kushiri le course. Baminga Aaron kushiri le. Baminga actually Chineke kushiri le course. I am fighting a just cause, and so shall it be. Take it or leave it. We stand on the mountain to destroy Ndala. Ebuko bige bugi. You must not become bige bugi. Akwa ebuko bige wakona wu. Akwa ebuko bika. Nwanya nwa batana. Nwano pata. But people get go. Can you wear jiriki? Even in London, you know, go say somebody like you exists. I know walk itself. I gotta do two. I want to get one by one until the day I do to town. I want to get one by one. They release the one morning. I do two. I want to get one. I want to get here. Juru. I got to get you in and one by one. How many years he get spending that thing? Every year do 201. Every year do 201. Every year do 201. And the ene ana do to yao. Kola ru arane again. So na kwa kam mashige nwo hege ma hono ga eru keru ano no. Anywhere ashi no ga ho mo ashi amuge. Ma ashi mpa afuge. aga the boots or go check out one again. Cause sorry many. Oh wonder and make ya sure no one kaga do atu to ya and who yoko. 1 year or wait day. Let me rephrase what I said. 1 year to 2. 1 year to a hono. Damana she working ibe ha no. Damana she working ibe ha no. 1 year no go to a hono get who him oko. Another year no go to him oko. No need again and them matter my bomb. I can make it sure I got no child who got jump amuge. No, because I'm carry over camore. Because I can't boy. The while I'm not supplying one of you, as you know by a man, by a honey. I can go on to get you up by Shamu Gijeru. So I got to Gagia, every tweet, I can get down, we heard about tweets. Every like this. At what go to a pump. 1 year, every year do every year do until I don't get no chagaya. Anything no Suria, one nigga, I happen. That's all I get make it. No need of Western time with toy. I'm gonna get Western time with Tonya Baby. When you baby, get Western time on. No. Here, Jebegi Benoganaho. As she had a shimpish in Anaho. Here, Jebegi Benoganaho. And there's no need of Western time. There's no need of Western reasoning how to punish you. No. Your punishment in Ogenaka. Adoran one got lost. Adoran Chaba Shamuke. Because I'm packed up. We read Doctor to chop on about Shamuke. No need of Western time. I got to get. It's out the check. A check up my forget. I shouldn't know Gahu until I do to ya. There's Rike. You are so no need. It was Chananya, man, Bilachanya, one there. Hena shimpish na ho. Yaje begi beno gimaho. Enyegi ya woto no need of coming back. And I was look here mangarega, here marega. Apagi we have to end. What is the essence of Western time when you want already? I just see Ota Hono got Doriadosa. Honyoku every year. Doriadosa Honyoku every year. Until I took a shini and Oga Hotuya. And I let my megalachi London. Magat egg and Oshimri Jordan. You are already me get it and our born to log like this. The way Nyangagolu after Uchamaga Honoge. What is this person doing? You what are who is that? Sure, madam, you don't have any single. Come on, one leggy. They have negile change more go mashi. Amasho wa parakomo. Echo kwa training what nega hu isusuru na muoge. Negile change ha ga mu ya wuruge. Nega mashi homu wu cause. Iku negirere. Yale change ha ga mu ya mu itiri age. Nega mashi homu with disappointment to the society. Negile change ha ga echo kwa training. Training la who people negi back or Jamuaria get training money. Go and mega look at Anoya. A train ye Ghana Sari Udele. Udele deported from Istanbul. A man of no future. Can't you look at role model or who role models? Role model say who and get the video. On your role model again Udela. Udela is your role model. When you got any froggy me. A deportee. A jobless man in England, na Abuja. O job wa good son. On your dust to that pretty every morning. Oh, Ije. Nago Amuroke and when a training in your lineage. Into like this. Ashabadami don't have a training. Did I hear Tono? A fellow Afatono no open mouth to talk. I don't know again. None of you can bala a belebantoa. Come 100, then or 300 million. $40,000 can cover you out here. Come on, Ghanaians. Come on and get out of my site, officer. And he gave boost so Chewy Nega Moria train Yage. Shake a home of Quesi, but I can because of Della. On your land, Sudela, Wundation, and working with a sense. I can never be a group of failures. A deportee every day I'm after. Nana she had just something doing. I remember Banya Abaga Saga in 2019. And I join on a major shop in the madu video no furniture. Man, that fortune. Yeah, claim when I watch you claim one I watch you claim more furniture 2019. I watch you claim one I had furniture 2019. Onya, these failures. And we have pay all of them. We have pay. Oh, him and can get move a big way and move. Billy has scattered them. Remind them their stupidity. A man named allow onye Chineke nyere ụmụ ejima. Another man na-azụ ụmụ ya. Onye madam agbega nwa amụ otu. Another man. All the Roman don't the train. See you. You better wait till Ogechi will build that thing with the ground. He might not like women like us. And you know, so boo. I like Dala. Look at trainers. Udele mo want to fool ya. Go along ya mega much. Onu Igbo men. Onu ha. Go along ya chewa mu mo release ye. Ya release ya dump. Color release ya dump. Color release ya dump. Webe be millions of them no. Go along ya nyu ya ga shike. On the polygamy. Polygamous in Chineke no. Nna chama pack your bomb, pack my laws, my most expensive dollar. Go get you cook on a dollar. Eh? Dollar. The kapu driver. One quadro. Ben get up with the application. I'm not bien applying all on. Not coil. No, the same level of I got no, they make this kind of rubbish noise. Name man and all. Yeah, that thing of a man and a chimezie, that criminal evil China one there with a hona pagaga. Come and see how queen in our drive. I will mark an onion myself. I'm not here. I won't pumuka get pumuka. If I should pay, I'm going to give Piano Bojage bag and make surgery. That Chawagang will get to two. Can near somebody get G and Ebanuru. I say when he again, make a gap and Uru. Chawam again, get you more catch G and something. This does something reasonable. Sister Chichi, there were my sister. And when I began, I would deliberately perform on one arrange movement. Nda bu arrange ni shina or not my daddy ebuko bi arrange. No longer shall go back. While somebody with a blood tonic in here, super tarea huna eba obuteri henry. Ima, they couldn't come up with the best condition. Now the another option is to perform a lawyer Udele is it Udele is in a medical. I ain't with a lawyer. Sorry, I ain't with doctors. I'm with legal practitioners. I'm with physicians that will test you. Madam Oshiga lungs, Oshiga liver. Ebolo she in the way treat, chagi, you go back where you belong. I want to then get Lara Loria. I want to then on Gana area. I won't work in Noriana. Oh, the Maggie, I go Chaga Lupa who get there. Yeah? And I go eri. One ndinga warrior. Hey, and I got ndinga one warrior. On your channel and go gari warrior. Oh, look another nice packing. Udele lekwebe mwamura fobi. See where I live. You know the motor na park by. You know the lozre. Ndeji he gana he live here. Ewala. Oba ka ibe. Ehone obodon so. Neighborhood manama. No crime. I can leave my car open loud on women. And now we gogi. Anye bi who ghetto. I'm really allergic to that place. Our future Umajanika Ejibrieba. So they will go neighborhood schools. Iwala. Actually, you can't read, you can't write. onye eji akpụfu ego ebie very mma because your address ga define ebe ga enweta ọrụ n'obodo a. Oh, it dey hard way. Okay, you gonna learn. You gonna learn in the hard way. Chineke bon n'ọkụ. Mo atono Chineke mo. Bịa Udele, don't perform that rubbish ato. Area moria ndị otu ga-ewe ego agwọ gị. Ga chọkwa na nga ndị a. Ga ma shon ho wago wake go ngo wage endre because ashi adoma gị n'ọnụ. Egbuma gị na-egburu ya na Ishi la. Ịwatala adoma ntị ọnụ. Egbuma Ishi egburu ya ya ala. So adụgala gị dụka gị nwe ha dụfa gị. So I got achara ga akpa amụ gị ga anwụ uru ịba. Igbo to Ogechi have said it through their media practitioner through this Ankara. My wish we young women I shall Ogechi have said it. Yeah, me I deny Gamia. Udele have said it to many. So I'm reciprocating with the same gesture. With the same hospitality, come reciprocate. Ewala. So okay, they are aware. So I don't know why you're panicking. Men know they panic. By now, you question okay, Udele is coming out on Friday. Udele is coming out on Tuesday. Udele will be out. Don't worry. You should not come and cry like a child. Oh God, shut up, shut up. Shut up! Man, they don't talk anyhow. They do action. Come on, get to work and prove me wrong. Up and down. Huh? Na kwarinyo daka na nya Udele remori anya agbo ya. No matter how many doctors they want Zion. No matter how many doctors. I mean, what doctor in Nigeria? Doctor America. Na remori anya bota legal practitioner anya agbo ya. Agbo ya agbo cha na akwu ugwo ya. Na akoiri. No matter how many doctors, no matter how many nurses, no matter how many pharmacists they want. Ya kwa na ọgwụ ka ga-enye gị prescribe ọgwụ enye gị ọgwụ ga jezuru ike nkwụ ọka. And let me tell you one thing you don't understand. Udele, my wish wu gị ọnwụ achọghị m ka ị dị ndụ enwee na ideas m dem wetacha ha she oge no my wish wu gị ọnwụ na this boy I don't know why you guys don't understand. Suffer not the witch to live on a Bible. You were a witch. Suffer not the amusu to live. Suffer it. I mentioned on what I stand for. I'm a radical Christian. Radical to a fault. It cannot chori bumu. My opportunity in Jebu give me reggae. Mpanona. And I with the woman not hit on among women not hit okay, Ogechi. No, you know. My daddy in the Lord. My father. My daddy in the Lord. You won't yara. You must say, Ijele had a bunch of banyan. I get you planning. I get you planning. I want Ejime cookies on. I get you planning, and they get you planning. Oh, Mama, stop involving Ebukobi. Ebukobi went time again. I keep Poogie busy for 1 year. He didn't think he was playing. Don't any day back on. Many day, you know one. Many past men. Okay, keep Poogie busy for what? And he kept you guys busy when I'm married. One over his happen to pay Jimako swan out happen to pay Jimako now. Men day, channel one. When I reported like my page, Facebook disregard, we are wishing them happy birthday. Facebook, stop allowing these people to be flagging my videos
Stop allowing these people to be. I'm not saying anything bad. We are only wishing a brother happy birthday. Happy birthday. My page does not support violence. My page does not discriminate. My page does not discriminate anybody. They join and do massive report on my pages all the time. I don't know why you guys, take this from them. Please, Facebook, disregard any reports on my video. I don't support violence. I don't support hate speech. I don't, support anything illegal. We are here for peace. We are wishing him happy birthday. No longer. He's our brother. So, I did shit. So far not happy leave. How are you?
Good, how are you?
All right. Hey, how are you? How you doing? All right. For love, peace, joy. That's what we do. That's what we represent. No one ever call Ghana. Love and peace. I know. So, yeah, this is a peaceful page. We represent love. Good one. Chimarafa. Nande Bebe Jimzuriko. And that I Facebook and I shall abandon my views. I don't know what I did. They are just here, though. This is sorry. They had to be so. All right, see you there. Take care. They went to him. Gana one guy stage him here. Koga kokota. Thank God I'm on live video. Kakokare. Kakokare. Me jama like me here. Jama no one because. I have a gift for you. I have the coach the gift to give. Tell me, many. He can't cook themselves. Get all my phone, self. When we get call me, I sash him. But to young man every time. Come on, you go game. Just your Ndi cookie, just your room work. One hour again. No problem, so every day. Hey, I like you. You're a very hard-working woman. Yeah, I have a gift for you. Oh, I love your cakes. I saw them yesterday. They are very smart children. No, thank you. Every day. I have gift for your cakes. I have gift for your cake. You can't read and be kidding them. I like how they with the closeness. You know. Libe namu. Libe bien. Who is at home? Mark about to learn now. Uzania sometimes and is not like this. Who is at home? Mama, here in your land, no more labor, no weather change. Wahala with this. Wait. Papa came down. What the fuck? Angel! Grace! Onya no yo. Batuela no mozo. Ki no ka no ya na sobu. They are seated. What the fuck? Change but this is ridiculous. Yeah, this is so annoying. Man got bagozo for 1 week. Yeah? And they got what home I can wait. Wait. No wonder nobody is here. Oh, you're not here. I fall out. Oh, you're not here. No wonder. Who's on a Jaden Sobu? I don't know. This thing started almost how many? And I need to call them. They need to come and change that door. Because I can't continue like this. Mommy here made the door. Mom, who's gonna understand? So guys, see you guys later. Bye. Because I'm Zurich. Bye. No, I show him the gift. No. No, I know how to him. I Paula. I got my mom. She bad wife. Ta ilu fuman. Chadanga zagileta. That key. All I would the key. Mama would weather change here. At the thing they be do. Would you every season? I don't know. Make a rest, Joe. Make a see you on a later. Bye.